kitchen again with Chef Ricardo Juice Bar channel. Is amazing, guys, to be in the kitchen giving you favorite recipes and ideas. Simple. Nice, I love the welcome back in the kitchen again with Chef Ricardo Juice Bar and also salad bar. We always give you the latest drink, you know what I mean, all kind of different kind of recipe, guys. Anyway, I got some, this is some black grapes, we got strawberry and some blueberry inside of it. There's some blueberry, here's the blueberry inside of it. Roughly a glass full of blackberry, black grapes and strawberry and some blueberry. So we're just gonna be blending everything together to show my fans them. This is another way of healthy drink and a healthy juice. And also we're gonna put a pinch of apple cider vinegar inside of it just to bring in the flavor. Second thing, we're gonna put some fresh mint. So that's the leaf of the mint you need inside of it. All right, guys. To start off the mint, that's the leaf. Lovely. Then we're gonna put a little bit of water inside of it to free up the blender, because we're gonna be blending it. You can put some ginger powder because I don't have the fresh ginger, so I'm gonna put some ginger powder inside of it. That's to bring in a lovely flavor. You can put honey, but I'm just gonna leave it natural. I love to do my stuff natural. Then we're gonna blend this about 3 to 4 seconds. See that? Lovely. Look at that. Beautiful. Alright, so this is another way where you can make some lovely juice and bring to work and share with your co-workers and tell them that you saw this recipe and Chef Ricardo YouTube channel. Alright, let's see exactly what's going on here. This smells amazing. Look at that. Anyway, thank you for watching Chef Ricardo Juice Bar channel. We've got a lot more recipes, a lot more ideas, a lot more things will be coming, and this is just the tip of the iceberg from Chef Ricardo Juice Bar channel. Please stay tuned and remember to subscribe, click on the bell and leave your comments in the description box if you like this drink. See you next time. Bye bye.